Hey ladies, if you have ever thought about joining Younique, now is the time to do it. For $99, you will get the Moodstruck 3D Fiber Lashes Plus, 3 Moodstruck Mineral Pigments in Corrupted, Confident, and Sexy, the Divine Daily Moisturizer, 3 eye brushes, 3 Precision Pencil eyeliners, the lucrative lip gloss in Lovesick, a shade stick, White Status Charm, the free website, instant access to the Younique virtual party systems, $25 in your Younique cash on your birthday every year, the new catalog, and it all comes in a signature black leather embossed Younique case. Until 1 million of the Moodstruck 3D Fiber Lashes Plus are sold, everything that comes in the Presenter's Kit you will get, plus an additional Moodstruck 3D Fiber Lash Plus, an exclusive Plus You charm, and free shipping on your Presenter Kit.